Hello and welcome. So they say you must buy low and sell high, but they don't tell you how much high should be to sell and how much low it should be to buy in order to buy. And if you are a struggler trader, you are not buying low and selling high. That's 100% the case because this is the only logic thing to do in order to make money on the market is buy low and sell high. But how much high should be in order to sell and how much low it should be in order to buy? So that's what I'm going to explain in this video. And here on this position, I'm selling. I'm selling gold. Okay. But why I'm selling gold? Why I didn't sell, for example, here? So we say that you should or you must sell high. So this point is higher than this point here. So why I didn't sell here? And why I didn't sell here? Why I choose to sell over here? Okay. So let's say you're gonna buy when it's low. Okay. You're gonna buy when it's low. When you should consider to buy, the first thing if I'm looking for buy, I need to see that the market is bullish. That's another thing. That's another factor. We buy only on a bullish trend and we sell on a bearish trend. Okay? So the price should be like this. Okay? Sorry. Whatever. So the price should be like this. I need to adjust the color. Whatever. Okay. So this one here. So when I should buy over here or in this area here. I should buy or here. Okay. And when the market is bearish, I need to see. I need to sell. I'm not selling over here or over here. Why? Because my stop loss is going to be hit 100%. I don't know how much the move is going to be to the upside, but I'm not selling over here because I'm selling low. So how do I identify the highs and the lows what I'm needing to buy? So the first thing is I'm buying only on a bullish trend and I'm selling on a bearish trend. Okay, so how I'm going to identify bullish trend is creating high highs, high lows. That's normal. And bearish trend, low lows, low highs. Okay, but when it's low enough here, so I can buy easy. Let's come over here. So the trade is going directly to our profit, which is good. Okay, so here I will let the market do its move. When it's a bullish, I will predict a pullback. Okay, a pullback, a retracement, whatever. I need to see the price goes back and wait for a certain level to be hit. What is this levels? It could be a previous resistance back to support. Okay, that's a logic and a healthy position to enter. Or in a bearish market, the previous, the previous, for example here, the previous support turn to our resistance. That might look too easy to not be true, okay? But trading is like this, guys. Is when you follow certain criteria and factor over and over and over again. So this strategy is has 60% win rate. 60% win rate. When you have a 60% win rate in a strategy, and you stick to your risk management, 100% you are winning. Even if you have one to risk to reward, it's still really good profit. After, for example, 100 trade or so, you're gonna have, for example, 60 winning trade and 40 losing trade, and you're still winning. Okay, I don't want to use a calculator, but it's still winning. So here, as we say, we should look or should wait. You need to wait. Wait and patience is the key. Is another key on trading, guys. I'm not entering because I need to enter. I need to make money. No, I'm entering because I see there is a logic behavior of the markets of the chart that I need to enter and go with the price, not against it. Okay, so as I said, I need to wait for the price to go back. Okay, I need the price like to feel, I don't know, comfortable. Comfortable. The price should be looking really calm. I don't want him to, I don't want to rush the price. I will give him the time to back to my level. So the level here, it's a key level, for example, resistance turn to support, or my way, I'm looking for a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement, if I'm in a bullish trend, I need to see price back under the 50% Fibonacci retracement, like here. Okay, so here is my 50% retracement, and the price goes back above the 50% retracement, and here, as you can see, it's a previous support to turn to a resistance, but I'm not going to enter here. Why? Because I have too much knowledge that I know it didn't give me too much information and too much confirmation to go on a sell. So what I need to do, I see what's the price doing, the chart's doing. I see and I notify that there is a trending line here, okay, or a trend channel, whatever you are trading, there is here, okay. So what I'm going to wait for, I have my, let's say, okay. So I have my first um, confirmation, which is the market is bearish. Okay, I'm trading the 5 minute time frame. So the market is bearish. Okay, so this is done. The second factor, the price goes back above the 50% retracement. This is done as well. A key level, a support to a resistance. This is done as well. This is number three. Now I need a, why not? Why not? I'm not looking for a false confirmation, which is the break and retest of a trending line, a trend line or a channel. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. So this is what you should look like, and trust me, just do it, And if you didn't see your setup in a pair, you have like too many pairs to look for that setup. And if you didn't find your setup that day, it's okay. It's definitely okay. Okay? Because someday you're gonna see it twice or triple times. So this why, guys, you must look for confirmation. You must wait, as I told you, for confirmation, and don't ever forget to buy low and sell high. When it's high enough, and we need slow enough. And how to know if slow enough or high enough? As I told you, this is the Fibonacci retracement, the key resistance, and wait for a small confirmation, a candlestick or confirmation, for example, or as I show you here, a trend, break off a trend line, a break and resist here as you can see, and then I enter sell. Okay, so my stop loss should be above. So it's depend on I can make it here because it was actually here above this high here, but I move it over here because the price goes down. So for example here, let's see, okay, there is the management of the position. So here, if I want, what I don't want to see is like the price broke this channel. I don't want the price to go back here, okay, here, and block this channel. It goes up, okay. The price has the right to do whatever he wants, but me, I'm watching it, I'm managing my position. But I must be sure that my position it has like 70-80% to go in my favors. Okay, so this is, guys, the only lesson I think you need to know about trading, buying low and selling high. Okay, if I sell here, if I'm selling here, for example, the 61% retracements, I will be stop out 1 and 2 times. Okay, so the, this is the zone above the 50% if I'm looking to sell, and below the 50% if I'm looking to buy. Okay, guys, so take care and catch you on another video.